Good day, everyone. Ever wondered what makes some liquids boil faster than others? Today, we're exploring ethyl propyl ether, a fascinating chemical that helps us understand the link between a molecule structure and its properties.
Is ethyl propyl ether. Notice the oxygen atom acting as a bridge between the ethyl and propyl groups. It's like a connector in a chain. The ethyl group is like a shorter chain and the propyl group is a bit longer. The structure is key to understanding its behavior. Because of its structure, ethyl propyl ether doesn't clump together as tightly as some other molecules. Think of it a group of friends who don't hold hands, they easier to separate. This make it have a lower boiling point than similar sized molecules that are thicker. It also slightly polar like a magnet with a weak pole, which affects how it mixes with other substances. Its unique properties make it useful as a solvent in certain situations, kind of like a specialized cleaning agent for specific jobs in a chemistry lab. It's not something you find in your everyday cleaning supplies, but it's crucial in certain chemical process. So next time you think about boiling points and how molecules interact, remember ethyl propyl ether, a simple molecule with some surprising behavior. In this video, we'll delve into the structure and properties of ethyl propyl ether, a simple ether with important implications in organic chemistry. We'll examine its molecular structure, analyze its intermolecular pores, and discuss its physical and chemical properties. Each propyl ether sum with the formula C5H12 consists of an ether functional group 0 linking an ethyl group CH3 and CH2 and a propyl group CH3, CH2 and CH2. Note the IUPAC nomenclature and how it reflects the structure. The dominant intermolecular pores are van der Waals force, especially London dispersion force due to the relatively nonpolar nature of the molecule. This explains its lower boiling point compared to alcohols of similar molecular weight which exhibit stronger hydrogen bonding. Its slightly polarity stemming from the oxygen atom's electronegativity influence its solubility in different solvents. Ethyl propyl ether finds use as a solvent in specific chemical reaction and its reagent in organic synthesis. Further investigations into its reactivity and spectroscopic properties would provide a more comprehensive understanding.